Hello, friends. I welcome you back to today's Do Not Get It Right session with Savan Kumar. And today we will be talking about being dependent or being dependable. When most of the world is thinking about being dependent, you need to think about being dependable. 99% of the people try to depend on something or somewhere. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to be dependent or you are trying to be dependable? If you are trying to be dependent, trust me, you are not going to be successful. You are not going to be able to travel a long distance. You have to be dependable. You have to ask yourself a few questions. You know what those questions could be? Am I dependable? Are my products and services dependable? Can people blindly trust me and my services? Do people blindly trust my products and services, and can they recommend me and my services for whatever I do? Do you think people can do that for you? Ask this question to yourself and find out what the answers are. And once you have answered this, move to the next level. Ask yourself if you are dependable. Can you depend on yourself? Can you depend on the commitments that you made to yourself? If you committed to starting workout from today, did you start working out today? If you committed to yourself that you will be going on a diet today, did you go on a diet today? If you committed to yourself that you would be completing this task today, did you complete that task today? If you are not doing or taking care of your commitments, you cannot depend on yourself. Forget others depending on you. So, being dependable starts from you. You need to first depend on yourself and you need to first be confident. Okay, yes, if I commit to something, I make sure that I get it done. I do not wait for somebody else. I do not give myself excuses. If I commit, I get it done. I do not break my commitments. That is something that you first need to believe about yourself. First, you have to build that trust in yourself for yourself. First, you have to be dependable for yourself, and only then can the world depend on you. It is a step-by-step process. It starts from you depending on yourself, then your family depending on you, then your society depending on you, and then the country depending on you maybe, and then the entire globe depending on you. So it is a stepwise process. Nothing would happen in a day. If you are not dependable at home, if you cannot depend on yourself, the society or the country is not going to depend on you. Do not think that you can make the country dependent on you when you cannot even depend on yourself. You have to be first learning. You have to first learn to be responsible for yourself. You have to first learn to fulfill your commitments to yourself. If you are able to do that, you can become dependable and stop being dependent. Being dependent is for the weak. Being dependent is for the lazy. Being dependent is for the fearful. So, if you are not lazy, if you are not weak, and if you are not fearful, stop being dependent. Stop depending for anything and everything on others. Because the more you are dependent on others, the more excuses you give to yourself for not being successful, because you were dependent on somebody else for any particular action of your life. You want to go to work out today and you are dependent on your friend, because if he comes then you go. Now if he does not come, you do not go. So for your failure you are giving an excuse that because he did not come, you did not go. So are you dependable? Do you really want to be dependable? Nobody, no one of us wants to. No one of us programmed to do so. But our laziness, our weakness makes us do so. So make sure that you are not lazy, you are not weak, and you are doing all that you could, all that is in your hand to not be dependent. To not be dependent on others. And figure out, make a list and write out the list of things that you think people can depend on you. Figure it out. Be it your employees, be it your team, be it your family members, be it anybody who you connect with. Figure out how you can make yourself dependable, how you can make your product and your services dependable. Figure out how you can build that trust. Figure out how you can live up on your commitments. Figure that out. Figure those things out, and you will find yourself in a much better place than where you are today. If you really want to be successful and if you really want to be motivated, You have to start becoming dependable. You have to stop being dependent. You have to stop being dependent on somebody else. You have to make yourself trustworthy. You have to make yourself dependable so that everybody depends on you. And the more dependable you become, if I am looking, if it's the most difficult task, if it is a task that requires a lot of faith, if there is a task that requires a lot of trust, if there is a task that requires strong work ethics, if there is a task that not everybody can do, then the first person that comes to your mind should be Savan Kumar. So if that one name that comes to your mind with the most difficult task that you have is Savan Kumar, then who can stop Savan Kumar from becoming successful? Who can stop you from becoming successful if you are that person? So stop being dependent, start becoming dependable, and become successful. Be motivated, keep yourself completely, fully motivated. Think extraordinary, be extraordinary, come out of the comfort zone, because being dependable will require you to coming out of the comfort zone. So come out of your comfort zone, work hard, make yourself trustworthy, and let people depend on you, and make your shoulders strong. Yes, you have to make your shoulders strong, because when people depend on you, you will have to lend your shoulders for them to cry, for them to put their head on. So make yourself strong with all the finance, with everything that is possible. Wish you all the best in becoming dependable and not be dependent. Wish you all the best from Savan Kumar. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask me whenever you feel like. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.